How you doing, Laurie?
No. Gav! Gav! What? You want a picture?
No, I've already got one, thank you.
Oh, ha, very funny, not.
Your tits are bigger than expected as well. You heard me. You've got a cracking pair of boobies.
Don't you speak to me like that, Gavin Jones. You and your family, you're all the same. You're a bunch of perverts.
I'm a pervert. Slag. Does a nice girl pose like this then, do they? How low can you go? How low can you go, low?
When did you get that?
We've all had it. The photo, that is. But he's not getting it off you now, is he?
Woohoo!
Your ex-boyfriend, Mike, dumped him, didn't you?
Yes.
Friends? Yeah, it looks it, doesn't it?
He promised me.
I've got to say, it's a cracking photo. I would have kept it to myself as well.
Give it to him!
No, it's my phone now, my lovely.
Don't be so childish. Please, Gav. Delete it.
No, I like it. And besides, we've all had it now. Everybody. I even sent one to my Uncle Gary.
Uncle Gary, the one who plays with his computer.
Yeah, him. He was very impressed with you, I've got to say.
You're disgusting!
I'm disgusting. I'm not the one who posed like that now, am I? You skunky cow. Do Mummy and Daddy know how much of a slag you are? Do they? Huh? Make me laugh. It's your lesson, is it? Yes, run away, my lovely. They're all dying to see you in the flesh.